Hakambay day batka Foreign Contribution Regulation Act usambut Menteri Rang Ba jong ka sarkar jala U Bah Sniawbhalang dar lapan pawi ka jisunggu yo Menteri Rang Ba ka jala U Conrad ke sangma ialam ya nongialam niam ba phe ban leit kynduh yo Menteri ka kampu iyeng U Amit Shah hakambay day baki kambalang ba phe U Bah Sniawbhalang ulai tu baka sarkar jala kalapan pawi ka jisukya yakani kabenta kumta la ban pin urlong ma yakni da Menteri Rang Ba ka jala ban leit kynduh chadu Menteri kampu iye ula ong ba borbor ki kwa ban ai ka jingeda na benta ki chat Menteri Kristan
dan nagaling jonga bahan kongeng apan pau yu songu yo chim ni sabram kau jongi ula ialam megino yang nyem katu kali di balang bera ban ikudo baru home minister mungkilati balai berokhoji namangi kum sarkari khamtam gaji ialam jong chief minister par ke sama ba TCM bat dahul kabineti ni sokya ya de nakta kadawi ngilat baik ba UCM sulit tim ula ialam itu nagaling jonga ai khublei Rupang UCM dungi namar ban arbal union home minister la appointment UCM ba nila iyo kan express hakabay de di singoju pai ba di ban pada komen wendia kan long kan dilaks kumba kanus em hatuga news pula TV di berokon so piso tu iba kawai naga maka jujia jo longi baka sarkar NPP haji lam buci misar jongi bon sini jo bo ba ek pai ba kama mentamat kapo kahapan hakabay de betakam niam kamu kompan tu dikata baju. We always want to protect the Christian people and always all the religions. Tegani gede songkya nangi kumkuno ialam bu sir kawede bagi Kristen tungi tekata kada usum ialam ki ba ban kerpar sokor dia kumupio ini benus musum la keren. Te ngai khublei kerpang chip besar ma udah buru bomjo tiasini buru baju sengap haladun kanu ka problem habade bagi Kristen tungi mendai tah pon khalia haborok konti bro ki paik macu ban leit yaklam ni sorkan ya ban protect ya keru ki interest jongi Kristen pai ba jongi takata na galing jonga na ai khublei mga sotu iba PTB baro we are here to protect our own peoples in all fronts tengi sokmen ba sorkan dia bolsen kasus ngap te community ba tag bubrom kerparik sorkan dia kan skam ke jing kerpat usia mak beda beli FCRA. So yes, I've just said now in Khasi, so I'm very pleased to inform you that the Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji has given appointment for Chief Minister. Under his leadership, he take all the church elders from different sections of society and they met him and they placed the request about the FCRA, you know very well. So we as a government, especially under the leadership of Sarkar Kesama, we always want to protect our Christianity from the state of Meghalaya, especially and in the country as a whole. And you have seen that even throughout the countries, if any issues faced by the Christian people, they always faced our chief minister. So we are very proud to say that. And obviously, especially from the legislature of Meghalaya, especially under the leadership of Secretary Kesama, we are always there to protect our own people, especially when they face this type of issues in the community, churches or all the Christian people of the state. So we are here to protect, to listen the voice and the request by our peoples, and CM has done it. He met the people and the governments of the Indian ministries, and you have seen what CM has clearly explained everything. So from my side, I just want to share that we are very happy that thanks the government of India for listening to our requests, and finally that CM has took them to meet them personally at the level. Maybe Chief Minister is the right person to reply on that, but kata automatically bakan one with the now CM is still on the way. So the one in can try kata it move towards that side only. But anyway, decision is decision. So let me listen from CM and the whole cabinet what to decide on this.